Hello and welcome to Match Valley. So today we're covering the best budget gaming keyboard and mouse combo. I know that, mechanical keyboards are the way to go for gaming and stuff, but some people can't afford to, pay those prices. So I wanted to find something that was membrane, but still a good deal and, a combo for just one buy for everything. And so usually the way I, look at products is there's a product like this, the Redragon keyboard and mouse, and it's, top rated on Amazon. And usually there's a runner-up that's not as popular, not as well rated, but it's actually a better quality keyboard and mouse. And I tried two other ones before this one, and they all had issues. So I tried the Comet Hunter and the Backlit keyboard and mouse. And so if I remember correctly, the Comet Hunter, the keys were very high up off the board. And I mean, I get why they do that, but like the second I actually received it, I looked at it, I'm like, ooh, keys are gonna stick. And sure enough, the shift key, from time to time, it'll stick in the down position. So that's kind of a no for me. And then I looked at the reviews and there was a couple other people mentioning the same exact issue. So that's a no for me on that keyboard. And honestly, the build quality of this versus those other two is just, there's a huge difference. This is way better. And then I tried to have it, and that one was not bad. But what I had an issue with is on the mouse, the right click, if you just rest your hand on it, it would click. So it had a very low resistance. So that kind of threw that one out of the ring. So there was a couple other things I looked at while, to select the best keyboard. So first of all, obviously, I looked at mechanical keyboards, and there was really nothing in the price range that would qualify, in my opinion. So membrane ones are okay. I have a keyboard that I used. I bought it for like $70 7 years ago. And honestly, I've never had a single issue with it. So there is some good high quality membrane keyboard. Another thing for gaming, you don't want to do USB. Obviously, USB. You don't want to do wireless. You want the USB plug-in, because obviously, there's still a little bit of a lag, and yeah, just you want to go plugged in. And the mouse and the keyboard on this one are both, USB plugs. Another thing is the way the key characters are printed on the keyboard. I noticed some of the other ones, people were complaining about the keys wearing off after a time. And what I like about this keyboard is they're made of a combined material. So there's plastic, and then it's got the letters cut in the keyboard, and then there's a clear see-through plastic which lets it light up from underneath, which looks really good. And it's gonna last, it's not gonna wear off, obviously. So that's another really good thing about this keyboard that came with this set. Key illumination, I mean, this is obviously, a budget keyboard still. So it's not gonna have, a LED on every single key. But it's got quite a few functions that, I like. I don't like the, changing colors. I just like a solid color. So that's, for me, if you like changing, it's got a few options that I'll, run through right now in the video. So that's pretty much it about the keyboard. Feels really nice to the touch, comfortable for the hands. I really like it. Honestly, it's a really good deal. So now to move on to the mouse. I know sellers online trying to make it seem like the more DPI a mouse has, the better it'll work, which, I mean, it's true up to a point, but this mouse has a max of 3,200, and I personally think that's about as high as you want to go. I mean, you might want to go a little bit higher, but And if you look at the professional gaming people that, just do it for a living, they usually have those big mouse pads, and they'll move the mouse more, so they actually turn the DPI down. Jeez. All right. So this one has 800, 1,600, 2,400, and 3,200 option, and you just click a button and it'll scroll through them. Now, what I really liked about this set is the mouse has a weight tuning set inside of it. So honestly, one of the other mice was mice? Yeah, mouses. Okay, whatever. One of the other mice was really light. It felt very flimsy, and I like my mouse to be pretty heavy, so it was nice that, I just left all my weights in. But if somebody prefers the light, you know, nimble mouse, they can just take those out. And usually that's a feature of really high-end, you know, mice. And I still don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Anyways, so yeah, I really like this set. Like I said, I've been using it for about a month. And so far it's been great. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use it for like another 6 months. And then I'm going to do a 6-month review on it to show you guys what, you know, how it held up. I think it's going to be great, but we're going to see. So yeah, it's good. Great product. I can really recommend it. And like I said, I don't even know if you need this review, because if you look on Amazon, it's literally the top rated combo. But this is just more, you know, confirmation that this is the best product, and I have tested several other ones. So I will link this down in the description. Hope this helps somebody. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.